How to export the selected clip in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to export the selected clip in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So first you have to import the video and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Now you simply have to play the video and then you have to click the I on your keyboard. Here you can see that I have selected the starting point of the video and then choose the end point by clicking O on the keyboard. And once you have done, now you simply have to come back over here. You can see this is a selected clip over here, and now you have to come to the top right corner and choose this export option, and now you can see the duration is 8 seconds. Now this is the duration of the selected clip in Capcut. Now click export, and that's the process that you can follow to export the selected clip in Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.